One calm evening, as the sun dipped below the hills, a clever fox was walking through a dense forest. The trees stood tall and silent, and the moonlight softly lit the narrow forest path. The fox moved carefully, sniffing the air, alert to every sound around him. Suddenly, thump, thump, thump. A loud, mysterious sound echoed through the forest. The fox froze in fear. What was that? He thought. His heart beat faster as the strange noise came again, carried by the wind. The fox trembled. It must be a monster, he thought. He had never heard such a sound before. Every shadow looked dangerous. The fox wanted to run away, but curiosity slowly crept into his heart. Gathering his courage, the fox whispered to himself, "I cannot stay scared forever. I must find out what this sound is." Slowly and quietly, he followed the sound deeper into the forest. At the edge of the forest clearing, the fox finally saw the source of the sound. It was not a monster at all, but an old drum tied loosely to a tree branch. Whenever the wind blew, the drum hit the tree and made a loud noise. Dum, dum, dum. The fox burst out laughing. All this fear for just a drum, he said. He felt proud that he had faced his fear instead of running away. But just then, he noticed something shining behind the drum. Behind the tree roots, the fox discovered a hidden treasure chest, filled with gold coins and shiny jewels. It seemed someone had hidden the treasure long ago, and the drum was placed there by accident. The fox smiled and thought, "If I had run away in fear, I would never have found this." The fox returned home happily, carrying wisdom greater than treasure. He had learned that fear often comes from not knowing the truth. From that day on, whenever the fox heard something strange, he chose courage over fear. Moral of the story: don't be afraid of the unknown. Sometimes, facing your fear leads to wonderful discoveries.
Hello kids, please like and subscribe.